Hwashi Technology was established in 2006. We have 3 subsidiaries: Guangdong Hwashi Technology Incorporated, Jiangxi Hwashi Technology Incorporated, and Hwashi Technology HK Company Limited. The group headquarters is located in Huizhou City, near to Shenzhen, enjoying convenient traffic conditions. Hwashi Group owns 2 factories. One is for resistance welding machine and automatic welding machine. We are the leading manufacturer in China for spot welding machine, seam welding machine, butt welding machine, and all kinds of customized automatic welding machine. Another factory is specialized in developing industrial robot, including welding robot, pick and place robot, spraying robot, grinding robot, and so on. In the past 14 years, Hwashi has obtained more than 50 patents for invention patents, utility model patents, design patents, and software copyrights. It is the drafting unit of several national standards and industry standards. Hwashi has been awarded National High-Tech Enterprise and many other honorary titles. We have one professional technical team and rich experienced workers, including mechanical, electronic, welding, automatic control, electromechanical integration, and management. We also have our agent in India, Russia, USA, Kosovo, Brazil, Peru, etc., so we can provide you more efficient after-sales service. We are committed to provide customers with efficient automation welding solutions and become a leading enterprise for industrial intelligent equipment in the world. Hope we could have the chance to be your long-term reliable supplier.